Welcome to the SpreadsheetWeb. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create an online age calculator using Excel and SpreadsheetWeb no-code platform. Firstly, we need to create the Excel file. This file is the source of the algorithm that will make our application work. We will use the data function to create an age calculator. Remember to include named ranges in the formula and output cells, as the no-code platform will use these named ranges to identify the source. After completing this process, proceed to the SpreadsheetWeb hub and upload the file. To do this, go to the Applications page and click on Create New Application. Drag and drop your Excel source file here and upload it to SpreadsheetWeb hub. You can choose the designer application using our AI tool or navigate to the user interface module to design it manually. Drag and drop the control buttons and connect the corresponding name ranges. Use the right menu to do this. You can also add text, create a print, send an email, or create a database using the platform, but in this case it is not necessary at all. But you are always free to choose a different style sheet as you like. Since we have already developed many style sheets, you can choose one of them to apply to your application. Give a name to your style and publish your application. The age calculator you created is now ready for public use, or you can just restrict it or embed it on your website using iframe. Join SpreadsheetWeb Hub to simplify your work.